Hey guys, and today we are going to learn how to create a presentation on Google Drive using Google Slides. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my Google Drive pulled up here, and you just want to go ahead and click on New and then Google Slides. And here you can choose from a presentation, so a blank presentation, or from a template. So let's go ahead and choose blank presentation. And then you have this screen pulled up, so then here's the click to add title, and you can add a subtitle. And then you can also have these themes here. So if you scroll down, let's just click on a random theme. So it changes all the slides to the theme that you chose. And then you can also name your presentation. So let's just name this untitled presentation, so we'll leave it as is. Okay, and then we can add new slides. So if you right click, you can click on new slide, or you can do Control M. And then here you have your insert tab where you can insert different images, text box, videos, audios, or shapes. And you can also format your slide or format the text box that you're in. So like add an indent, line spacing, bullet points. And then for your slide, you can also add new slides, duplicate, or delete them. So for example, if I want to duplicate this slide, then it's the same thing on slide 3. And then if you click on the tools, there's add-ons, and then there's help. So if I click on one slide, I can also change the layout. So if I, for example, want a title and 2 columns, I can have that here. Or you can change the theme as well. So it, again, takes you to the theme tab. And then you can import themes or choose one of the Google Slides themes that are here. This presentation automatically saves, so you don't have to save anything like you have to do on PowerPoint or Word. And you can also make a copy of the presentation. You can export and download the slides as a PDF, like images, and then you can send them via emails as an attachment. So I think Google Slides is pretty compatible with all devices, and you can also have a lot of options to add a variety of different things like images, videos, and text. You can also change the layout here. So if you want a grid view of the slides, you can choose these 2 buttons. That's what they're for. And then you can also move this presentation to like different folders. Or if you want to share it with others, you can click on the share button, and then it allows you to share with different people. So guys, I hope that was pretty helpful. Just a quick overview of Google Slides and how to basically start presentations. Okay, so bye and see you next time.